Now on Local 24 News, meteorologist Trevor Birchett with the Mid-South certified most accurate forecast.
All right, a whole lot on the plate in the world of weather today, so let's jump right in. I want to start out with what is happening right now. The bottom line is it's a hot one out there in Memphis in the Mid-South. Temperatures all around the region in the low to mid 90s, 91 down in Clarksdale. We're 94 in Memphis. 88 in Oxford, and that's only because they had a sprinkle or two go by, but many of us have not seen rain today. That means our heat index values once again close to 100 degrees. So wait an extra hour or two if you're planning to be outside, and if you do have to be out, certainly before sunset, be sure to stay hydrated and stay in the shade if you can. I mentioned some sprinkles down in Lafayette County. They are all gone. One trace of rain right now. That looks to be in extreme southeastern Benton County, maybe a sprinkle just to the north of Marks and Quitman County. Other than that, no rain, and we are not expecting any rain tonight. That means Friday night football should go off without a hitch. Maybe a 10% chance of a sprinkle by 7 p.m. Still very hot in the upper 80s to low 90s, and a partly cloudy to mostly clear sky as we get closer to 9 or 10 p.m. Tonight, I think we are mostly clear. Just a few passing clouds. Southeasterly winds at around 4 miles an hour with temperatures falling down into the mid 70s. Here's your weekend forecast. That's what's important, right? 93 for tomorrow. It's going to be hot. No chance of rain except for maybe a sprinkle, so we're just going to bake in the summer sun. Better chance of some pop-up storms by Sunday, but still not everybody is going to see rain. But of course, right now, the big weather story, even though it's not here, is Hurricane Ida. Here's what we know right now. Winds of 80 miles an hour. It's crossing over the western tip of Cuba right there at about 15 miles an hour. Now, it's lost a little bit of that color you see in the last couple of scans there. You saw the deeper reds, and now it's a little more yellow. So it might be weakening just a little bit as it passes over Cuba, but once it gets back in the Gulf water, it is going to continue to intensify. Here's the current track. It's going to take it into the Gulf through the day tomorrow, and then landfall now expected as a significant Category 4 storm with winds of 140 miles an hour just south of New Orleans. So major impacts to New Orleans, Baton Rouge, the coastal parishes there in Louisiana by Sunday night. And then here's what happens. It basically follows right up the Mississippi River, and that's going to bring it into our neck of the woods by Monday night and Tuesday. And we could feel some impacts. We likely will feel some impacts right here in the Mid-South. Look at these wind gusts, 84 miles an hour in Baton Rouge Monday afternoon. And everything you see in yellow, that's tropical storm force. So wind gusts of 40 miles an hour certainly possible by Tuesday here in Memphis. And then rainfall totals anywhere from 1 to 3 inches, which could lead to some flash flooding. So again, hot, maybe a pop-up storm by Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, we feel the impacts from Ida, and then dry and just a little bit cooler for the rest of the week.